Minneapolis, and I think it's 8191 or 9181 Papa. I'm getting a lot of wind and I can't contact Grand Rapids. Would I be able to divert and go back to Traverse City, please?
You want to go back to Traverse City, number 81 Papa?
That's affirmative.
Okay, number 9181 Papa. I'll show that as your destination. I'll talk to Grand Rapids about it.
Thank you so much. Minneapolis, and I think it's 9181 Papa. Can I please go to Big Rapids?
Yeah, number 9181 Papa. I'll show that in the system there. Big Rapids is at your 1 o'clock and 5 miles. Let me know when you see it.
I got it in sight, and there's some crazy turbulence. I can report it when I'm on the ground, but I'm going to focus on getting the aircraft on the ground.
Okay, are you having trouble controlling the aircraft right now?
I can keep it in control. It's hard to maintain altitude, and I just got a gust, a big updraft where I hit my head on the top of the cockpit. So I'm going to put it on the ground and then contact my people in Traverse City.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Just focus on flying the airplane for now.
Where are the winds coming from? What's the direction?
The wind there at Big Rapids is 310 gusts 2-3. Can you see the airport?
That's a negative.
Okay, you don't see the airport?
Correct, I do not see the airport. I can actually see the airport. I will go to, I'll go to Big Rapids, please.
Okay, number 9181 Papa, that at the airport again. It's about 100 heading from where you are right now. Nice deep breath. Let's focus on what we know how to do, all right? So we're just going to fly the airplane. Make sure you know your speeds, right? You know what speed you're going to fly on final there?
I need to be on, yep, I need to be on an 70 knot mile.
Yep, that's right. And you know, when we're flying in heavy wind, we also don't use as much flaps as we do in normal. So make a decision on how much flaps you want to use there. I normally use about 20 degrees when I'm flying the 172.
Okay, I'm gonna just do a downwind for runway 27 because right now I have a 9 knot tailwind, and then I'm going to turn my plane around so I can have a headwind.
All right, well, Papa, that's a good idea. Runway 27 is going to be a better runway than runway 9 there because the wind is from 310. Number 81 Papa, radar contact is lost. Say your altitude.
1,200, 81 Papa.
Roger. Number 671 Echo Alpha, change to my frequency 120.85. Please and have your relay for me.
20.85, 1 Echo Alpha.
Number 81 Papa, I'm going to have another aircraft listen up on this frequency for you. Would you let us know when you're on the ground, please? Let me know if you have any questions as well, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem. You're doing all right. Just focus on flying the airplane, okay? I don't see any other traffic nearby. I want you to stay with me instead of going to CCAF, okay?
Okay, stay with you, and I'm going to turn left base for runway 27.
All right, sounds good.
And 1 Echo Alpha, go ahead,
I want to go off. I'm going to have you listen up on this frequency for a Skyhawk. It's 81 Papa. She's landing there at the Big Rapids Airport. Student solo, fighting the wind a little bit right now.
Okay, very good. I'm going to see if I can help. Let me know.
All right. All right, number 81 Papa, focus on your crosswind landing technique. That wind should be coming from the right side of the airplane there. So as you get a little closer to the ground, you want to use right down into the wind with left rudder to make sure you stay straight.
Okay, 81 Pop, this is 1 Echo Alpha. You say you're on the ground, safe and sound? Okay, Mini 671 Echo Alpha, 81 Pop on the ground, safe and sound.